Late fall. It's one of our favorite times of year to fly fish, and the nighttime lows have been around the 0-degree mark, and it's mighty cold outside. We're banking on what might be one of the last open water fishing trips of the season, and the fish are feeding in the shallows. Our quarry today will be rainbow trout on leech patterns. Tim's got a killer leech tactic he's going to show you. Let's get out on the water. This is just a foolproof tactic for this time of year. The fish get a little lazier as that water cools down, and you might want to suspend these right underneath an indicator. That is almost the best way to catch them at this time of year. Big guys will just cruise along that bottom, just picking through the forage, trying to catch some shrimp, some leeches. These are a nice big meal for them. There it is. Oh, had a hit. And I'll show you on my corner what I'm using right away. It's a really easy tactic that almost anyone can enjoy at this time of year. Good way to get the beginners into the sport. This time of year, you're going to use a floating line for this setup here that we're using today. It's really important that you have a nice, about 8 to 9 foot leader in lakes like this one. This fish will be in the shallower water. Next down the line, you have your strike indicator. These are the Phil Rowley strike indicators. So you could adjust the height fairly easily. What you do is it comes with this little corky connection thing here and the indicator part. So you put a little bit of line through, loop it, and pop it right in, and it stays in place. When you get a strike, it'll pop up. So then we'll go further down the line to show you the fly. These are a black mohair leech, and this time of year the fish key in on them. Gives them that good movement that they want in the water, and they'll put on the feed. We're fishing about 4 feet down today, and the fish are biting it pretty good so far. There, fish on. This is a proven system. Oh, they still got some jump left in them this time of year, even with the freezing cold temperatures. The gauge on the truck read 2 degrees Celsius, so we're into some conditions where ice might be coming up in a few weeks. Hopefully not, because we want to get some more fishing like this. Oh, just a little guy. These little guys in the pond still fight good though. And he's ready to come in. Come on in. Oh yeah. This looks to be one of the ones that have stocked here in the spring, and they've gotten pretty big. Oh, I think my hook popped out. Yeah, it did. I'll give you a shot of this guy if he'll settle down. There he is. Ready to go back. Make us proud and get a little bigger. Yesterday we sighted in the rifles for hunting season because it's almost that time of year. And today we're blessed with a decent day. We're doing a little trout fishing. These trout are in the shallows feeding on leeches, and Tim just plucked a nice little guy for this pond. They get a lot bigger than that though. He's casting the leech right under the indicator and letting her sit. Doesn't get much better than that, guys. There's one. This one feels... Oh, he's decent little acrobat there. Oh. Oh. Oh, another aerial. Whew. Awesome. Who would have thought?
We'll be shooting deer in about 2 weeks. It's another one of this year's stalkers. Nice little rainbow trout. Ready to be put back in.
What you have to do at this time of year is make sure you're moving up and down the banks. Since the fish aren't that active, you have to keep moving yourself. Those pickerel rigs, you might as well put them away for the season.
Might as well put them away at the beginning of the season for that matter.
And it's a nice size one. Not the monsters that you sometimes get in these lakes, but a little bigger than what we've been catching today. I'll put a bend on that 5-weight rod. Oh, don't take me in the weeds. There's still some weeds left from the summer. Ooh, that's a chunky fish. Really fat. Oh. Oh yeah. You give it the odd strip, and these fish will get attracted to it. Especially in this calmer stuff. Whoa! He's not ready. Oh boy. That's a tank, man. Woo! Late fall fishing. That's a nice fish. Oh. And this leech tactic, this is a normal occurrence for it. They're nice big fish. Beauties. Oh yeah, there he goes.
Fish on. Oh, is he gonna jump again? No, he gave me 2 quick jumps at the beginning and he's ready to come in. Little trout. This is this year's fish that he put in here. These fish are feeding like crazy. They'll hit anything, leeches, nymphs. Bring them if you got them, boys. They're going crazy on this leech right now. I'm using Tim's Loomis rod. Water ski him right in there. There's a nice little rainbow trout. Ticking on a cone head, leech, / woolly bugger. Put back in here.
Visit us online at westernsportfishing.ca.